Heat index values, those feel like numbers, are going to be close to 100 later. So many of you are heading to the bus stop, though, is the reality. So we've got to make sure that we're staying hydrated today. We're dressing as cool as we possibly can. And we are muggy and stuffy heading out that door. Look at the dances. See, that's the attitude, right? It's already Tuesday, too, which definitely helps. Heat continues today, and the record high, just so you know, is 95 degrees at Hopkins. So although we may not actually tie or beat it, we'll feel like it, and then some. The cool down's coming, so you hang in there. Upper 80s, low 90s, we'll reach that without any issue. We'll also have a stray shower or storm possible again later today with all this heat and humidity. And we're expecting another really warm night. So there's not going to be a whole lot of change right on through the middle of the week. And this is most certainly a story not only here locally, but regionally. We're seeing 70s, we're seeing a lot of humidity, and it's that oppressive, like just sticky as can be humidity. Dew points well into the 60s or around 70 degrees. That's not changing today. That's not changing tomorrow. By Thursday, we start to see that dip. We'll have the front push through, and that's when we start to get a little relief. We'll even get into a comfortable level of humidity for at least some of the weekend before it creeps back up in the way of moisture. So we've got a lot to talk about here because there's not only the heat story, there's, of course, Tropical Storm Gordon. So we're looking all dry this morning. We don't have to worry about any rain. But in case you missed the latest update, and I'll give another detailed update coming up in the next half hour, we are still talking tropical storm, but you can see all of the heavy rains, 65-mile-an-hour winds. Landfall expected later today along the Gulf. We've got warnings and watches already posted, New Orleans included. And I'll tell you what, this rainfall is going to be impressive. This is expected to become a Category 1 hurricane before it makes landfall. So it's real close. It's about 10 miles away, 10 miles an hour away from that status. We could even see that happen, you know, earlier today as opposed to this evening. So as we track hour by hour here on Future View, what you're going to notice is the heat index numbers in pink, okay? Getting into the afternoon, this is 11 a.m. and we're already feeling like we're well into the 80s in spots. By, we'll say 3, 4 o'clock today, we start to get into those 90s, and we are also going to be talking about temperatures that will also be creating that potential of some showers and thunderstorms. We'll start tomorrow pretty similar. Very humid, and we'll see some scattered shower and storm chances as well. So here's a look at what to expect over the next 7 days, and tomorrow is more or less the same. Then better chances for scattered showers and storms Thursday with our front. Friday will definitely be cooler, but more or less seasonal with highs in the 70s, and then chances for storms over the weekend. Saturday, it's just a chance. Likely Sunday at this point, and that could very well be enhanced by remnants of Gordon. We'll keep you updated.